As technology improves, man becomes more daring and creative in his inventions. One thing common to all of man's creative inventions is that they are built to solve problems and make work easier for mankind. In this video, we will be sharing our top 10 contemporary engineering marvels in the world. Make sure you watch the video to the end to find the best engineering we've ever seen. Number 8. Millau Viaduct. Location: Millau, France. This bridge was designed by Michel Verlogu and Norman Foster and broke the record for being the tallest cable-stayed bridge when it finished construction in December 2004. The Millau Viaduct extends through the River Tarn Valley in southern France, and it is one of the most breathtaking engineering structures in the world. It was constructed to relieve the congested road traffic from Paris to Barcelona, which worsens during summer vacation periods. This spectacular structure reminds us of the St. Louis Gateway Arch with its outstanding silhouette lines. The Millau Viaduct stands at 1,124 feet tall, surpassing the Eiffel Tower, which is 986 feet tall and is close to the height of the Empire State Building, which is 1,250 feet tall. It is recognized as the 12th tallest bridge in the world. What is even more remarkable is that it took about 3 years to complete this massive bridge. Number 7. The Venice Tide Barrier Project. Location: Venice, Italy. The Venice Tide Barrier Project broke the world record to become the world's largest flood prevention project when it was completed in 2012. As its name implies, it is an engineering feat that was designed to prevent the seawaters from gaining access into the Venetian lagoon, where there are high tides and storms. This project was instigated in 2003 after a 40-year debate on how best to prevent Venice from sinking any further as a result of the plaguing floods. It consists of 78 rotating gates, which are 6,500 square feet each and has large metal boxes filled up with water. When there is a flood forecast with a tide of about 3.5 feet, water is then poured out from the gates using compressed air. The gates are set to rise above the water, thereby shielding the sea from the lagoon and stopping the tide flow. Number 6. Burj Khalifa. Location: United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world and has been so since 2010 when it was erected. It is a pride of the United Arab Emirates and is one of the most remarkable feats of engineering in an architectural sense. During its construction, the engineers faced challenges such as developing high-pressure pumps efficient enough to transport and lay concrete from a dizzying height because the Burj Khalifa had to be able to withstand the constant winds and inclement weather. Furthermore, it needed an extra layer of protection because of its staggering height of 830 meters. It is most popular for being featured in the movie Mission Impossible: Ghost Protocol. Number 5. Palm Jumeirah. Location: Dubai. Located off the coast of the United Arab Emirates, near Dubai, this is said to be one of the most innovative engineering feats in the world. Its construction started in 2001 with Nakheel Properties, a popular land developer, as the engineer in charge, and it took 3,257,212,970.389 cubic feet of sand sprayed into place using GPS satellites to see what the intended palm tree shape was achieved. Palm Jumeirah's impeccable shape adds 50 miles of coastline to the Persian Gulf and has caused the whole of the island to be filled with expensive villas and luxury hotels. However, the island sinks at a rate of 0.20 inches every year and is called a visual scar by those who are taking into consideration the negative impact the structure has had on the area's marine life. Number 4. 500-meter Aperture Spherical Telescope. FAST. Location: China. FAST is the world's biggest telescope, about the size of 30 football fields. It is a massive 1,650-foot wide satellite dish, which cost about $180 million and has 4,450 separate panels. It is not only the biggest telescope in the world, but it is also located 1,240 miles southwest of Beijing. It has 10 times the potential to discover signals from aliens and distant civilizations. Apart from this potential to detect extraterrestrial life, it is also handy in detecting low-frequency gravitations and discovering more facts about the universe than we ever have been able to know prior to its creation. Number 3. Taipei 101. Location, Taiwan. This might not be the tallest building in the world, but its engineering is so clever that it copes with the perpetually heavy earthquakes in Taiwan. The world-famous Anger Thornton Tomasetti designed and engineered this building to cope with strong earthquakes and the heavy wind speed that is usually 216 kilometers per hour and above. Because of the frequent natural disasters that hit the country, this building needs extra strengthening, and this measures like a large steel pendulum that acts as a tuned mass damper. The tenacity of this building was once tested when a serious earthquake struck while it was under construction. Even though cranes toppled down from the incomplete structure, it left the foundation untouched. Number 2. Channel Tunnel. Location, China. This structure broke the record of the world's longest stretch of underwater tunnel and was named one of the 7 wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers in 1994 when it was completed. The Channel Tunnel is 32 miles long, with its lowest turning point at 250 feet deep and 23.5 miles of rail underwater. It connects Folkestone in England and Coquelles in France. This tunnel plays a very important role in connecting both countries together by serving as the means of transportation for more than 7 million people a year who ride by train. It's so popular because it takes just 20 minutes to travel between both cities through this tunnel. Number 1. Hadron Collider. Location, Geneva, Switzerland. The Large Hadron Collider, aka LHC, played a great role in modern-day technology. Breakthroughs such as the development of the World Wide Web and the development of cancer treatments took place because of this. This contemporary engineering structure is located underground in a 574-foot tunnel on a 17-mile circumference. It makes use of superconducting magnets and 2 beams of hadrons, which are atomic particles. These travel at high speeds and collide into each other. The products of this collision are used by scientists to track new behaviors of matter. It was developed by CERN, a science research firm in Europe with the sole purpose of addressing basic questions of science and their concerns of the origin of the universe. At the time of construction, it was the largest particle accelerator in the world. And with that, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Which of these structures do you think is the most impressive? Tell us in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.